As part of our community, we are united in purpose and selfless in action to ensure a safe Scottsdale. We have soared in terms of embracing technology. A large component of that technology is our partnership with Flock Safety.
A drone as first responder is one of the most exciting moves in technology. Our ability to get overhead in 45 seconds and start giving real-time intel is remarkable.
We had a friend call in. She was concerned about her friend and she wasn't able to get a hold of her. She gave us the address of the last known location. I had no cameras to check and see if she was anywhere near there. Having the drone, he was able to fly to the complex. The drone was able to capture the female exiting the apartment and it didn't look like she was injured. We were able to save the officers a response out there.
It is a major force multiplier for us, providing more safety to the citizens at home.
Call them the dinnertime burglary series. It impacted such a large group and you had a lot of people who were afraid. We made an arrest leveraging this technology. Once we made that arrest, the burglary series stopped.
And provides officer safety for our folks on the street.
We had a stolen vehicle hit through the Flock LPR. I deployed the DFR drone and we were able to get on scene and pick up the vehicle and follow it and give updates to patrol, which ended up taking the suspect in custody without incident.
A lot of the things we would use helicopters for, we can easily do with the DFR now, cheaper, more efficiently.
The amount of information that is being pumped out of the real-time crime center by the drone changes the response.
On average, it's 53 miles an hour to get on scene. Our flight time to most calls in that area is less than 85 seconds. It's super hot, but every time we did a battery swap, we didn't see a lag and we were back all within 5 minutes.
We're using thermal and we wouldn't be able to search for anybody if we didn't have the night vision.
Having a real-time center technician along with a drone first responder pilot, sharing those feeds with patrol is amazing to watch.
Everything that we do related to DFR is driven by very strong policy.
The log is filled out and all available by Freedom of Information Act. We want everything we're doing to be completely transparent to our community. Flock and Aerodome are seeking to make this better each and every day, much like we're seeking to make our service to our community better.
What you're buying is not only a piece of technology, you're buying the customer service, you're buying the idea, you're buying the drive and the determination to deliver a product.
I think that's where the secret sauce is here, is in the dedication to public safety.
I really believe that when you layer all these technologies and then you have a lot of great wins, the criminal element pays attention. I want you to know that we're leveraging Flock. You come into our city with nefarious intent, we're gonna catch you.